पुढलं एक्झाम्पल आहे 5 मायनस 3x इंटू 2 मायनस 3x रेस टू मायनस 1/2. सोल्युशनमध्ये लेट I इज इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 5 मायनस 3x इंटू 2 मायनस 3x रेस टू मायनस 1/2 dx. पुट काय करणार आहे पहा. पुट 2 मायनस 3x इज इक्वल टू t. डिफरन्शिएट ऑन both sides. 2चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 0 minus 3 dx is equal to minus 3x is equal to dx is equal to minus dt divided by also 2 minus 3x is equal to t. 3x minus आहे plus t plus I 2 minus t is equal to this implies x is equal to 2 minus t divided by I is equal to integration of 5 minus 3 into 2 minus t divided by 3 into t raised to minus 1/2 dx ची किंमत मायनस dt डिवायडेड बाय दॅट इज इक्वल कॉन्स्टंट टर्म कुठले आहे -1 बाय इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 5 3 ला 3 मायनस 2 मायनस मायनस प्लस t इंटू t रेस टू हाफ dt. 5 मधून 2 गेली 3 plus t raised to minus 1/2 dt. Minus 1/2 to multiply 1 by 3 integration of 3 into t raised to minus 1/2 plus t raised to minus 1/2 into dt. That is minus 1 by 3 integration of 3 into t raised to minus 1/2 plus t raised to 1 plus minus 1/2 एक मधून अर्धा गेला अर्धा using the formula 1 divided by 3 into t raised to minus 1/2 plus 1 divided by minus 1/2 plus 1 plus t raised to 1/2 plus 1 1/2 plus 1 plus c minus 1 by 3 into t raised to 1/2 divided by 1/2 एक मधून अर्धा गेला plus t raised to 3 by 2 divided by plus c 1/2 plus 1 that is 3 by 2 that is equal to minus 1 by 3 3 into 2 t raised to 1/2 plus 2 divided by 3 t raised to plus c. I is equal to minus 1 by 3 6 t ची व्हॅल्यू रूट में टाको डायरेक्ट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 minus 3x plus 2 by 3 2 minus 3x raised to 3 by 2 plus c, which is the required solution. For example, is 7 plus 4x plus 5x square divided by 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2. Solution मध्ये let I is equal to integration of 7 plus 4x plus 5x square divided by 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 x. Put काय करणार आहे put 2x plus 3 is equal to t. Differentiate on both sides. 2 into x derivative dx 0 is equal to dt. It is 2x is equal to dt. dx is equal to dt divided by 2. Also 2x plus 3 is equal to t. 2x is equal to t minus 3. That is x is equal to t minus 3 divided by 2. That is I is equal to integration of 7 plus 4 into x ची किंमत काय आली आपल्याकडे t minus 3 divided by 2 plus 5 into t minus 3 divided by 2 bracket square 4 divided by t raised to 3 by 2 and dx ची किंमत किती आली आपली dt divided by 2 काय आहे constant outside 1 divided by 2 integration of 7 plus 2 दूनी 4 2 into t minus 3 plus 5 into t square minus 6t plus 9 divided by 4 divided by t raised to 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 और से कर दिला I is equal to integration I is equal to 1/2 7 2 नॉट मध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करूया 7 plus 2t minus 6 plus 5 divided by 4 t square minus 6t plus 9 4 divided by t raised to 3 by 2 into dt. That is 1 divided by 2 integration. छेद समान करूया 4 into 2t minus 1 2t किंवा 7 minus 6 1 plus 2t plus 5 divided by 4 t square minus 6t plus 9 divided by t raised to 3 by 2 into dt. छेद समान करूँगा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1 divided by 2 integration of 4 plus 2t plus 5 into t square minus 6t plus 9 divided by 4 into t raised to 2 into 2 4 into 2 4 constant है outside 4 into 2 8 integration of 4 plus 8t plus t square minus t plus 45 divided by t raised to 3 by 2 into dt. That is 1 divided by 8 integration of 5t square minus 13 plus 8 minus 22 t plus 45 plus 4 49 divided by t raised to 3 by 2 into 1 divided by 8 integration of 5 into t square divided by t raised to minus 22t divided by t raised to 49 divided by t raised to into dt. 1 divided by 8 integration of 5 into t square into t raised to 3 by 2 minus 22 into t raised to minus 3 by 2 plus 49 into t raised to minus 3 by 2 into dt. I is equal to 1 divided by 8 integration of 5 into बघा इकडे लक्ष इथे किती आहे 2 आहे इथे किती आहे minus 3 by 2 2 into 2 4 minus 3 1 by 2 minus 22 into t raised to इथे 1 आहे 2 into 1 2 minus 3 minus 1/2 plus 49 into t raised to minus 3 by 2 into dt. Using the formula 1 by 8. 5 into t raised to 1 half plus 1 divided by 1 half plus 1 minus 22 into t raised to minus 1 half plus 1 minus 1 half plus 1 plus 49 t raised to minus 3 by 2 plus 1 half minus 3 by 2 plus 1 half plus c. That is equal to 1 divided by 8. 5 into t raised to 3 by 2 3 by 2 minus 20 is 22 t raised to 1 divided by 2 plus 49 t raised to minus 1 sorry minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 6. लक्षात that is equal to 1 divided by 8 to denominator 10 divided by 3 e raised to 44 into square root of t minus 49 into 49 plus 49 98 1 upon t raised to 1 half plus 6. That is I is equal to 1 divided by 8 10 divided by 3 t की किंमत 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 minus 44 square root of 2x plus 3 minus 98 divided by 1 half म्हणजे square root 2x plus 3 plus C, which is the required solution. For example, 1 upon x into log x log of log x. Solution मध्ये let I is equal to integration of 1 upon x into log x into log of log x dx. Put काय करणार आहे? Put log of log x is equal to t. Differentiate on both sides. Log चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon log x. पहिल्या log चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. दुसऱ्या log चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह dx is equal to 1 upon x into log x dx is equal to I is equal to integration of. बघा एक लक्ष द्या. 1 upon x log x dx ची किंमत किती आली आपल्याकडे dt. 1 upon log of log x ची किंमत t. काय येणार आहे log of t plus that is I is equal to log of log x plus which is the required solution.